Hi, in this video, we're going to look at the future of computing. As we started the unit, we explored the history of computers. We saw that it took over 4,000 years to advance from the first adding machine to the next, but less than 100 years to advance to modern computers. Computers today are evolving quicker than ever before. So where are we headed? Let's take a peek into the future and find out. The next generation of computers may feature two new forms of computers, DNA computers and quantum computers. The concept for DNA computers was first introduced in 1994, and the idea is to use DNA strands to store data and perform computations. 1 pound of DNA has the capacity to store more information than all the electronic computers ever built, and the computing power of a teardrop-sized DNA computer using the DNA logic gates will be more powerful than the world's most powerful supercomputer. The concept for quantum computing uses theories of quantum mechanics to process data. Instead of using binary, quantum computers can store information in non-deterministic ways. This allows computers to calculate and perform things in parallel and provides drastically faster processing, enabling more complex calculations to be solved. According to physicist David Deutsch, this parallelism allows a quantum computer to work on 1 million computations at once, while your desktop PC works on only one. So how are we going to use computers today, and how will we use them in the near future? With recent advances, we are seeing computers do things today that seemed like science fiction only a few years ago. Computers are translating languages, powering robots, driving cars, creating digital currency, and even using AI to predict behaviors. In the near future, we'll start to see computers using things in a unique way, such as expanding the metaverse, which is a virtual reality world we interact with, and computers will be able to generate new forms of art in this meta world. We will also see computers enhancing human capabilities by improving things such as seeing, hearing, and memory. Computers will also be used to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, such as finding new sources of energy, curing diseases, and protecting the environment. Part of the way we get there is through an expansion of artificial intelligence, or AI. So one place that we know is going to be leading us into the future of computing is artificial intelligence. When we think of computers, they're generally processors that execute algorithms. This allows them to do things like mathematical calculations, classify documents, and play games. AI takes computing further. It learns and adapts based on previous inputs and outcomes that it has seen. It is able to evaluate different outcomes and make decisions based on these outcomes. It can then act on its own. There will be many AI applications in the near future, such as using automation to drive cars, planes, and ships, creating content such as writing codes or essays and articles, predictive modeling in healthcare to help find and diagnose diseases earlier, and customizing shopping by making recommendations. As things become more and more automated, you might wonder, what role will people play in the future of computers? Computer science careers are going to help shape the future world. While AI becomes more capable of writing code, you will see a shift to what computer scientists do, but they'll still be needed. New systems will still require people to design and test them. It will also be important to remember that AI can only implement things that it's seen. As new languages and versions are developed, they will need to be manually updated for the AI to learn from. So what role will you play in the future of computer science? The possibilities are endless.